Don't book your room before watching this guide. Stay tuned for all the details on the best rooms at Disney's Yacht Club Resort. Disney's Yacht Club Resort at Walt Disney World is just steps away from Epcot, the Disney Boardwalk, and Disney's Hollywood Studios. It's known for having the best pool on property known as Stormalong Bay and some of the best dining options as well, including not one but two of my all-time personal favorites, Yachtsman Steakhouse and Beaches and Cream. Disney's Yacht Club is the sister resort to Disney's Beach Club Resort. In fact, they are both part of the same building. On the east side of the resort complex is Beach Club, and on the west side is Yacht Club. Both resorts have separate check-in areas, but they share the same amenities. Rooms are nearly identical in size and have similar floor plans. Yacht Club is a little more sophisticated than Beach Club. It has more upscale dining, the lobby is darker with warm wood accents, and houses a collection of nautical decor. It resembles the elite yacht clubs found throughout New England. But make no mistake, this is Disney, so it still feels casual. Now, Beach Club is brighter and more casual, almost as if you were staying at a family beach house, and it's just a little closer to Epcot. Yacht Club is a little closer to Hollywood Studios. One of the best features of Yacht Club is Stormalong Bay, which is a mini water park right behind the hotel. Stormalong Bay is shared with Beach Club, but with 750,000 gallons of water, it's big enough to handle the crowds. One of the most unique features of Stormalong Bay is that the bottom of the pool is covered with sand, and it has one of the longest water slides of any Disney World Deluxe hotel. Yacht Club is a sprawling hotel ranging from 3 to 5 stories tall. Most of the rooms at this resort sleep 5 people with 2 queen-size beds and a daybed. But there's a critical variation here that will soon be revealed. Disney prices the 630 guest rooms based on view, resort view, and water view. Resort view rooms are the most economical and overlook the hotel's driveway, roof, gardens, or woods. Rooftop views are not pretty, and there are a lot of them at Yacht Club. Rooms that overlook gardens and wooden areas are, of course, more desirable. Water view at Disney World means anything that's wet. Your view may be of the quiet pool, if you have a direct view of the pool, Stormalong Bay, or Crescent Lake. Water view rooms that overlook Crescent Lake may also have distant views of Disney's Boardwalk. Resort view and water view rooms come in a variety of configurations here. Most will have either 1 king bed or 2 queen beds, but here's the critical piece of information. Most rooms that have 2 queen beds also include a daybed, which is a sofa that folds into a flat twin bed. Not to be confused with a pull-out sofa. Notice I said most rooms. Some rooms simply have 2 queen beds without the daybed. This is important to know because if you are counting on the daybed as a separate sleeping arrangement, there's a chance you may not get it. This could be a problem if you have 2 guests who cannot share the same bed. If you need the daybed, I like to make this request for my clients well in advance. Now, if you have 5 people, Disney should automatically assign you a room with the daybed, otherwise where's the 5th person going to sleep? Yacht Club also has rooms with 1 king bed, and just as you might automatically trigger a 5-person room with 5 people, you might also trigger a king bed room with just 2 people. Some king rooms at Yacht Club also come with a daybed, but some do not. If I have clients who do not want a king bed, I call the hotel to let them know in advance. If you need help with any of this, be sure to visit my website, orlandoparksky.com. Regular rooms at this hotel have either a balcony or a patio. There are also 70 club-level rooms on the 5th floor, which include access to the Regatta Lounge. Most of the club-level rooms are standard hotel rooms, but some suites are located on other floors throughout the hotel and come with access to the lounge. The turret suites at this hotel are among the most popular at any hotel at Walt Disney World and book up far in advance. I had a chance to stay in one many years ago, and I would highly recommend it if you're in the market for a suite. So we covered room categories, club level, balconies, and sleeping arrangements, but what about the best room locations at Disney's Yacht Club Resort? There's no doubt that the best rooms with views are on the higher floors. The 4th floor is the best, especially if you have a water view room. You'll likely have great views of Stormalong Bay or the Boardwalk and or Crescent Lake. Rooms that are closer to Epcot and close to Stormalong Bay are found in the block of rooms that end in 185 through 241. And if you would like to be closer to the walking path to Disney's Hollywood Studios, request rooms that end in 001 through 065. Some rooms at Yacht Club have a view of Epcot's fireworks. Keep in mind that most of the Epcot fireworks are lower to the ground, so it will be difficult to see most of the show. But if you're okay with a glimpse and a few high-flying shells, I would request odd-number rooms on the 3rd or 4th floors that end in 011 through 027 and 067 through 081. Yacht Club is one long building, so if your ideal room is to be closer to transportation, being the bus, boat, or parking lot, requesting a room near the lobby would be ideal, ground floor rooms in particular. Rooms 1149 through 1163 are excellent rooms, a good mix of resort view and water view rooms. If you want a convenient location and a great view, 4th floor rooms 4149 through 4163 are best. What about the best water view rooms? Well, that could be a few different things. Remember that water view means anything with water, so Stormalong Bay, Crescent Lake, or a combination. My picks are rooms 4161 and 4163, 4th floor of course. These rooms look straight onto Crescent Lake and Disney's Boardwalk Resort. Best scenic resort view rooms are odd-numbered rooms between 4143 and 4145. They are somewhat close to the main lobby, but they also have partial views of both Crescent Lake and Stormalong Bay. So you're getting some water views at a resort view price. But even more than that, you're on the more scenic side of the resort, the back. The front of the resort overlooks the entrance, so there isn't much to see on that side. Something else I like about these rooms is that they are close to the lobby elevator. These same rooms on floors 2 and 3 are also acceptable. Just keep in mind that these rooms are located in the heart of the resort, so there isn't too much privacy from your balcony. Now, speaking of privacy, if you would rather a resort view room that is located in a quiet area, I like rooms on the far west side of the building. These rooms overlook a wooded area and they are closer to the quiet pool and tennis courts. Even-numbered rooms ending in 092 through 112 have lots of shade and almost no pedestrians walking by. So for example, 4092 4th floor, 3092 3rd floor, and so on are all great for privacy. What about water view rooms that are in quiet locations? Some water view rooms overlook Stormalong Bay, and while the view is nice, you'll definitely hear noise from the people in the pool. And during the afternoon, there's a DJ that plays music and poolside games. So, water view rooms that overlook Crescent Lake are going to be your most quiet options. Odd-numbered rooms on the 2nd, 3rd, and 4th floors ending in 003 through 009 will have excellent water views and far from the noise of the pool. I didn't select ground floor rooms, however, because there's a busy walkway that runs past these rooms, and by the way, these rooms have amazing sunset views as well. I help my clients with room requests all the time, so feel free to contact me for your next Disney World vacation. Together we can come up with the perfect room request. Room requests have a better chance of being honored if you make them within the category you booked. For example, if you book a resort view room and request to have a view of Crescent Lake, that request would have very little chance of being honored. This is like asking the hotel for a free upgrade. Sure, you might get it, but odds are you won't. A request for a room with a full-size balcony overlooking the woods or gardens has a much higher chance of being honored. You should also keep room requests as general as possible. Provide a range of room numbers rather than a specific room. Or request a room similar to a specific room. This gives the room assigner more possibilities when searching for your room. Keep in mind that room requests are not guaranteed, but Disney tries hard to honor them. If you found this video helpful, click that subscribe button to see more videos on Walt Disney World, Universal Orlando, Disney Cruise Line, and Royal Caribbean. And to see more about what I do, check out OrlandoParksGuy.com. I'm also on Facebook and Instagram. And now, here comes a video that has been picked just for you.